Buongiorno a tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I'm going to prepare a very simple dish. It's what my mother used to call Uova spezzatino. In the rest of Italy it's known as Uova in purgatorio, which translates as eggs in purgatory. You've probably heard of that. Or the other name that's become trendy is to call it Shakshuka. But this is the Italian way of making it, which is basically eggs stewed in a tomato sauce. I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes to mine and a little bit of green pepper. I'm going to add olives. My dad used to love olives in his. I like it too. I'm going to add some oregano, a little bit of onion and parsley, salt and pepper. That's it. Very simple ingredients, but with some good fresh bread, it's a real treat. It's not going to take long to make, about 40 minutes in all. I'm going to get started now, and I hope you enjoy the recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, click on the link down below and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need eggs, green pepper, cherry tomatoes, passata, onion, oregano, olives, parsley and some nice fresh bread.